The filter function in JavaScript is a built-in array method used to create a new array with only the elements that satisfy a specific condition. Working of filter function. 1. It does not change the original array. 2. It takes a callback function as an argument. This callback is run for each element in the array. 3. If the callback returns true for an element, that element is included in the new array. Let's jump to computer screen. Summary. Filter is great for selecting items based on a condition. It always returns a new array. The original array remains unchanged.